Valky is a fiber-based lidding material designed for a single cup lids. It is considered a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic and aluminum foil lids because it is from renewable resources and can be recycled in paper waste streams. The use of co-extrusion coating technology ensures that these lids are recyclable while still being cost competitive with plastic alternatives. This makes them an excellent choice for businesses looking to reduce their environmental impact. The trend for lidding is increasingly shifting towards sustainable materials due to growing environmental awareness and regulatory changes. There is a noticeable trend towards increasing the fiber content in packaging, many opting for paper lids or even converting both the cup and the lid to fiber-based materials. Transitioning to renewable material paper lids is crucial because they are recyclable in paper recycling processes, supporting the circular economy and significantly reducing the CO2 emissions. Valky is suitable for the food industry, including dairy and dried food products, because it provides good barrier properties against aroma, water vapor and gases. This ensures that the food products remain fresh and well protected. The lids are also user-friendly, offering easy peeling without tearing, which enhances the consumer experience. Additionally, Valky eliminates the use of aluminum, which makes it much easier to recycle and meeting the growing demand for sustainable packaging. A real-world example of Valky's successful implementation is with Arla, a leading Swedish dairy producer. Arla launched popular crème fraîche product in Swedish supermarkets using the fiber cup combined with Valky. This sustainable packaging, made from renewable sources, offers exceptional protection and freshness for the product, effectively maintaining its quality over time and significantly reducing the carbon footprint. Since its introduction, the market response has been overwhelmingly positive, highlighting the growing consumer demand for the recyclable and circular packaging solutions. This successful collaboration between Arla and Valky not only meets the sustainability goals, but also showcases how innovative materials can transform the industry towards more circular practices. Valky is designed with a strong focus on recyclability and sustainability, making it an excellent choice for circular-friendly packaging solutions. It is made from more than 70% fiber-based raw materials. These raw materials can be certified by FSC and PEFC, ensuring responsible and sustainable sourcing practices. When comparing the CO2 footprint of our paper lids with lids made from other materials, we observe significant reduction. In addition to being recyclable, Valky offers several key benefits. Improved printability. The white coated paper enhances graphic quality with vibrant colors and sharp definition, making the packaging visually appealing. Food safety. It is compatible with metal detectors, ensuring any potential contaminants are detected during the packaging. Solvent-free. The lid is made without solvents in the heat sealing layer, ensuring it is safe for food contact and free from harmful residues. Valky not only supports the circular economy through its recyclability, but also provides high-quality packaging that meets the high standards of the food industry.